sip of light from wisdom's open sea. It builds the soul, through striving leads the way. Within our hearts, the quiet visions grow, and onward to a higher dawn we go. One sip, and with it all our echoes flow.
In this vast universe, not every mystery is hidden within stars and galaxies. Some are imprinted in the oldest light existence has ever known. A light coming from the depths of time, which we consider a silent record of the beginning of the universe. Yet, even this great record was not free of surprises that puzzled scientists and raised questions that remain open to this day. And in today's episode, we are not standing before a clearly visible celestial object, nor before a cosmic structure that can be easily observed. We are standing before a mysterious spot, a cold and anomalous signal that seemed like a hidden scar in the very fabric of the universe itself. A spot that may appear small at first glance, but whose meaning is far greater than it seems. It is a discovery that does not merely inspire wonder, but compels us to ask, in all seriousness, is what we see merely a passing irregularity in the map of the universe? Or are we looking at a profound cosmic trace, carrying within it a story far greater than science has yet imagined? In this episode, we will approach one of the most awe-inspiring mysteries of the cosmos, a mystery that does not only test the limits of science, but also opens a wide door to reflection on the vastness of this universe, the precision of its creation, and the secrets still hidden within the oldest light that reached us.
Imagine our universe carries a scar, a permanent physical wound left behind by an event so massive it defies human comprehension. This is a map of the cosmic microwave background, a snapshot of the oldest light to ever reach us. Look at the southern hemisphere. Amidst the tightly packed temperature fluctuations, there is a massive dark region that breaks the pattern, known as the cold spot. The scale here is staggering. This region spans roughly 1 billion light-years across. It is far too immense to be brushed off as a minor data glitch or a temporary fluctuation. We know this isn't an error. Highly advanced space probes mapped this light with relentless precision, capturing data so undeniable that astronomers are forced to reckon with what they found. The universe is supposed to be highly uniform at this scale. The sheer size and persistence of this region breaks the symmetry our current models require. This map of ancient light has revealed a physical mystery that standard physics cannot yet account for. To understand why physicists are unnerved by this patch of space, we have to look at the exact temperature discrepancy. The cold spot is roughly 70 microkelvins colder than the surrounding cosmic average. This graphic compares the variance in cosmic temperatures. A drop of 70 microkelvins sounds microscopic to us on Earth, but in the tightly bound, highly regulated thermal environment of the early cosmos, a sudden drop of that magnitude is a violent departure from the rules. This graph plots the normal distribution of cosmic temperature variations. You can see the cold spot sitting all the way out here at the extreme edge of the tail. Statistically, the probability of a fluctuation like this forming naturally is less than 1.85%. That extremely low probability makes a random accident unlikely. The numbers suggest we are looking at a deliberate structural feature, a physical remnant created by a specific, highly energetic event. Initially, researchers tried to explain this away using known physics. Their best candidate was a cosmic void, a vast expanse of space almost entirely devoid of galaxies. As light from the early universe travels through these expanding stretches of emptiness on its way to Earth, it loses energy. By the time it exits the void, the light is literally colder. This visualization compares the theory to reality. On the left is the massive supervoid required to cause a 70 microkelvin drop. On the right are the actual voids we have detected in that direction. They don't match. The known voids are entirely insufficient to explain the missing heat. The data reveals a gap that standard cosmic structures cannot bridge. If the voids within our universe are too small to cause this chill, we have to look for a source that exists beyond them. If this isn't a lack of matter, we have to consider a completely different mechanism. Some theoretical physicists suggest we stop looking at this as an empty space and start looking at it as a cosmic bruise. This brings us to the multiverse theory, the idea that our observable universe is not the entirety of existence, but rather just one expanding reality bubble among many. In the chaotic stages of creation, as our universe was rapidly inflating, another expanding universe drifted too close and physically bumped into our own. A colossal inter-universal collision like that would involve a massive transfer of energy. The impact would leave a permanent, measurable scar on the outer boundary of our universe as the two realities separated. This theoretical impact matches the evidence. When physicists model a multiverse collision, the resulting thermal scar looks exactly like the dark blue anomaly we see on our CMB maps today. Curious, forward-looking tone. Teams of engineers are currently building the next generation of satellite instruments to examine this region with even higher fidelity. For now, the mystery remains entirely open. The numbers are staring us in the face. We are left with an anomaly that defies standard physics. The question we have to answer now is whether this cold spot is the very first undeniable proof that our universe collided with another.
And at the end of this episode, the cold spot in the cosmic microwave background remains one of those phenomena that not only stirs scientific puzzlement, but also opens a wide door for reflection on the greatness of this universe and the precision of its design. When we discover that even the oldest light in the universe still carries secrets we have not yet understood, we realize that this existence is greater, deeper, and more astonishing than we imagine. Such cosmic mysteries always remind us that however far human knowledge may seem to have reached, it still remains limited before this immense creation. And behind this astonishing order, this remarkable precision, and these mysteries spread across the heavens, there is a great Creator who encompasses all things in knowledge, perfected His creation, and placed within the universe signs that invite the mind to reflect and the heart to believe in the greatness of the Lord of all worlds. And no matter how far science advances, and no matter how much humanity tries to uncover the secrets of the heavens, we will always remain in awe before this universe, humbled by it, and aware that above every possessor of knowledge is one more knowing. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell so you do not miss any new content. Glory be to you, O Allah, and praise be to you. We bear witness that there is no God but you. We seek your forgiveness and repent to you.
A sip of light where ancient wisdom flows. Through ancient wisdom flows, through endless space, the human spirit grows. Within our souls, the seeds of thought take flight to